Little French kiss there, nice.
He's ready to play today. What's wrong with you? Jackson! What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Be nut. Oh, he wants his belly rub. Careful with the big feet. Don't scratch the belly. Big feet. You think you're little, don't you? That's his problem. He thinks he's little.
He does.
He doesn't have a clue. Sorry, I hope you didn't mind. That's okay. Jackson. He's going to sit on your lap. Tail. Jackson, you gotta watch. There you go. What is wrong with you tonight? You're just ready to take off, aren't you?
He thinks he can walk, but he can't walk yet.
Oh my gosh. You know what he's doing? He's jealous. Oh, he is jealous. Oh my goodness. We see you, Jackson. We see you. Yay! How old is he? He's 9.5. Oh. Are you jealous? Oh, he's trying to push my hands away, like, let me go. Are you jealous? No. Okay. He doesn't want to look at What? He's like, what? Watch this. He's going to sit in my lap. Please go down. Kiss you too.
Britt, you didn't put out your lips or anything.
Yeah. Come here. Okay. All right. We know. We know that. Oh. He's been. This has not been a normal day for him. No, it's not.